But so when it comes to mortgages, though, we're not even, the Fed fund rate, looking at how we're trending, but we're actually looking at the 10-year Treasury, because actually there's a stronger correlation to the 10-year Treasury note than it is the Fed fund rate. If you ever look at historic data, take a look, like the last 30 years, you'll see the 30-year Fed and the 10-year Treasury, and they move in unison together. And the mortgage rate actually, it has like a higher rate. They move in line. So that's really what you want to monitor on a daily basis, where that 10 years going.
How's that looking?
It's better. So all last up until August, it was sitting over 4%, and now it's about 3.8.
Well, trending in the right direction.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But from my understanding of what you just said, it's pretty much a manipulation, quote unquote, of the economy when it comes to the right, like the
it is absolutely
at the Fed level, right?
Yeah, they're manipulating. They like that
money when you need to, when you want to allow borrowing, and then retracting money when you want to kind of stop that.
And there's an effect to it too. Like it's not gonna, you don't see it instant, but like, kind of like inflation reports, like inflation's still going up, and as they're raising rates for last 2 years, we're seeing inflation going up and up, but at some point there's kind of like this, like a delay where your lag, shall we say, and we'll see that too now that they're cutting. It's going to take some time for the economy to see that stimulus that that they're manipulating right now. So we'll probably see maybe closer to like right after the holidays, New Year, we'll start to see. Hopefully,
leading into 2025.
Yeah, like hopefully some more people, and the better rates overall when it comes to like credit cards, auto loans, and mortgages.
Does that apply to refinance process too, in terms of like how
people have been praying for this for 2 years now. I've been getting calls. When can I refinance? When can I refinance? And so we had to talk to any banker, loan officer. Their pipeline's full of finances that we haven't seen in like 2 years. It's been all purchase heavy, starting because again, people just seeing what we kind of seen from in July to about like just under 6.5 now. We're talking about $100 in difference, and that they're going to be able to save. And obviously there's closing costs too that people have to kind of weigh out on refinancing, so it makes sense. Some people might be holding off to because again, if rates are lower, that means that the rates will be a little bit lower in maybe a couple more months too, and people want to like lock in a new rate, see rates fall even lower, have to pay more closing costs to get that lower rate. Lenders do offer, I said CMG offered a refinance program. We came up with it 2 years ago when we knew there was no refinances that were going to be happening. So to incentivize people to keep buying with higher rates and cost of homes, we offer our program, and people are still eligible. Anyone that closes a loan with CMG, we take care of their lender fees and $1,000 credit for financing. So this has helped out a lot of my buyers personally, because there's no closing costs, and they're eligible to do it for the next 5 years. And it's every 6 payments they're allowed to do, as long as the rate's about 0.5% lower. So been able to refinance my entire pipeline for the last 2 years, and no one had to come out of pocket for any closing cost fees on it.
That's awesome.
Yeah.